Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 days of Halloween, I am doing a sugar skull. I think this one is really easy to do, so it would be perfect for a last minute Halloween costume. As you can see, I do have on a full face of makeup, so I am just adding on to what I wore today. And I'm starting off by contouring my cheekbones. I'm using a skinny brush and a gray eyeshadow because it is a skull, so I want my face to look really hollow. Next, I'm going to contour my nose and make it look really skinny, and I'm using that same gray eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm going to trace everything on my face first and then go back in with a black face paint and fill it all in. Still using the eyeliner, I'm going in and making some marks on my face. I am going off of a picture from Pinterest, so I will post that down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check that one out. Next, I'm going to fill in my nose and go in and fill in both of my eyes. I'm just going to go over all of the eyeliner lines just to make the ends a little bit more pointed and just make them stand out a little bit more. And I'm also going to go around the edges of the eyes and make sure the lines are smooth. Now I'm taking a smaller brush and that same gray eyeshadow that I've been using and shading where my stitches are going to be, and then I'm going to go in with a skinny eyeliner brush using the black paint and go around the outside of my eyes. This does not have to be perfect, they do not have to be even, mine are far from it. You even see me mess up at the end, you'll see my face, but you can do a different color if you want. Some had red, pink, it all depends on what you want to do, but I just wanted to keep it simple, so I did black. I don't know if anyone noticed, but I don't have any dots on my head. I actually had to redo the little drawing over my eye because I messed up trying to go over it with the paint, and you see here I mess up on the dots on that last one. But I like to keep it in my videos when I mess up, and I like to tell y'all if I have to redo something because I don't want you to get discouraged if you mess up and have to start over, because as you can see I mess up a lot too. So I wanted to do a spider web on my chin, and I tried it myself, and for some reason I cannot draw a spider web, so I had to call in some help. But I also show you something that you can do instead of the spider web if you can't draw one either, or if you just don't want to. Now I'm adding some false lashes. These are pretty dramatic since the eyes are so dark, but you could use any lashes that you wanted. I think it would look really cool with some color lashes, or you could even do some color mascara. But if you don't have any of that, you can just do regular mascara. Next, I'm using a Tarte transfer proof lip paint in the shade Cheerleader. I wanted to use a liquid lipstick, that way it would dry, because I'm going to do the stitching on top of the lipstick. You can use any color you want, but I think it looks really pretty with the red. Using the same small eyeliner brush, I'm going in with a black paint and adding the stitching, and if you didn't want to do the spider web on your chin, you can just do those dots and add a few more on both sides, but that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.